Hey, thanks for sharing your plan. Got nothing to do this afternoon, so thought I'd take a look. Now, earlier I worked on this plan before I made this video, and I made some inroads. First thing I wanted to check was that you properly sized the corner cabinet, and you did. Very well done there. That's what I didn't think of in my earlier video. I was making this corner cabinet wider so that it meets these regular base cabinets, but you did that, and well done. Good, good on you. I'm going to turn off cabinet labels. Yeah. And I was surprised when I did a camera view and saw that the symbol's facing the right way. It's sticking out a little bit, but that's okay. And in plan view, I think you found a real live bug. All I was able to do with it, click on the cabinet, and then using the open symbol, and then go to the 2D. I had hopes that this would fix it. I'm going to put in minus 45 degrees on the, excuse me, 45, not 46, on the 2D block. I'm going to hit the tab key. Yeah, see, that turned it in the right angle, but it's still off and there's no other controls there to realign the 2D block with the 2D block of the corner cabinet. So I'm going to report this to Chief Architect Tech Support as a bug. That's a bug, or we need the ability to control this 2D block more than we currently have control over, because it looks fine in 3D, and it is fine in 3D. Very well done. Kudos. I think until the bug is fixed, I would just put a 1-inch thick cabinet here and a 1-inch thick cabinet here, and then use blocks or whatever to make it look not piecemeal in plan view. But the native corner cabinet is not working because it's buggy. And I thank you for that. I'm going to make a report at Tech Support and support it with this video that I made of it and a copy of your file. Okay, so thank you for that, and have a good day.